Alright then, just taking a look at a Bitcoin on the daily time frame here. As we can see, we have got a clean break above the level that we've been consolidating at for the past week here. That swing high around 53k has been broken. We're currently, I mean, it's pretty unbelievable how fast Bitcoin moves, really, isn't it? I mean, one day you're at 52k and you're thinking, oh, probably looking like we might get a pullback soon. We've been obviously up only pretty much for a good while ever since we back tested down here. God, it seems like just yesterday we were at 40k and now we're almost at 60. Current swing high in this local area at 57.2k. Crazy price action. This thing's gone 4k up in 2 days. Pretty mad when you think about it. We really are taking the stairs up in this starting of this bull market. We are looking a little bit parabolic, to be fair, aren't we? When you look at this from this swing low, starting to do something like this, could be due for a decent pullback soon, depending on what the market wants to do. Obviously crypto can continue up for God knows how long. It will stay parabolic longer than you can stay solvent if you are shorting the market. But right now it's clear that we're in a very nice bull trend for Bitcoin ever since the swing low down here at 16k a few years ago now, a year and a half ago. We've pretty much just been taking the stairs up, making higher highs and higher lows, breaking through all these key levels. Really the key thing for me was when we broke this 618 level and back tested it along with the 100-day moving average there. You can quite clearly see that we've come up here, back tested this beautiful level of support. And I do think when you flip the 618 Fibonacci, as you can see, my Fibonacci pulled from the high of the previous bull market down to the current low of that bear market we've been in. You can see, I think when we flip that 618 from being resistance into support and we continue to the upside, that generally means, in my opinion, that the bull market is on. And you can see that basically there's very little resistance past that level that we were at previously here, up to the all-time high. We've got some levels in and around the 60k level here, and then obviously the all-time high up at around 69k is clearly going to be the all-time high that we're looking to target next. Really, this is the next proper level, apart from 60k, as I said, somewhere around 60k, and then the all-time high. The only real resistance is left. But you could obviously see we are getting quite parabolic. We've been going very vertical recently, going into the halving soon. So we could see ourselves having a good cooling off period soon, going into the halving, which would be absolutely fine to me. And you can see ultimately we could, in my opinion, come all the way back down to this anywhere from around 36, 37k here to around this 40k level, and still be bullish and bounce and continue like this. So obviously lots of things that are on the cards that could potentially happen for Bitcoin. It's quite clear that obviously we have got a very nice move here over the past, when was this? Yesterday, since I think, what was it, 2 p.m. here yesterday, we've had this huge move to the upside of around, God, we're looking at like 5k, almost 6k move up here, a massive move. So you could easily see this retracing and cooling off, in my opinion, at least coming down to back test here and doing something like this. Or we could just see ourselves chop sideways and then continue, because God knows the supply shot right now is starting to kick in. Obviously the halving coming soon as well. This chart is looking hella bullish and parabolic, so you could easily see a retracement. But you know, if we don't get that retracement, the next target is 60k for me. So yeah, let's see what happens.